Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear new shoes properly, and this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to wear new shoes properly. These are fairly universal and they can basically be applied to the vast majority of shoes that you might be getting that are going to be new shoes. This is a new shoe that I recently got, and I'm just holding it just so I can use it to explain things. But these are basically the things that I'm going to be doing with my new shoes in order to wear them properly and sort of like break them in properly and sort of get them into like my regular routine properly. So without further ado, I'm going to try and keep this video really short and sweet and get straight to the point. So we're going to start off with number one. Number one is wear them at home first. So before you go and wear your new shoes out in the wild, out on the streets, you know, to your job, blah, 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 you want to wear them at home first. And this is great because it really allows you to break them in comfortably in your home environment. Don't take them out yet. Just wear them at home first until they are broken in and until you've gotten sort of comfortable with wearing them and how they are in terms of their grip, in terms of their feeling, in terms of their level of comfort, and so on and so forth. So just wear them at home first till you're ready to wear them outside of the house or outside of your home for that matter. Moving on to number two. Number two is use thick socks at first. So when you first start wearing your new shoes, you want to wear thick socks. Now, this doesn't apply to every single pair of new shoes, but most new shoes can sort of use this step over here. So just wear thick socks at first because chances are your new shoes haven't been stretched out yet. And if you wear thin socks, you might end up with some blisters on your feet. It's very, very normal. But if you wear thick socks, then it's less likely that you're going to end up with those blisters on your feet at the beginning. Now, like I said, it doesn't apply to every new shoe, but many new shoes will sort of do these things. So wearing thick socks with most new shoes will help you significantly in terms of breaking them in and getting them ready to be worn on a regular basis. It's just like you only need to wear thick socks for the first, few hours that you're wearing the shoes, and you're probably more than good to go. If you want to wear them longer, that's fine, but at least the first few hours should be more than good enough. Moving on to number three. Number three is make sure they fit properly to begin with. Your new shoes, maybe you tried them on quickly and you thought they fit properly, but when you first wear them, for the first half an hour, let's say that you're wearing them, make sure they really fit properly. You want to really do a good job to make sure that they fit properly. If they don't fit properly, then you can maybe take some additional steps. I don't know where you got the shoes, what shoes you got, if you can exchange them, if you can return them. I'm not sure if you can maybe get a different size. I don't know. That all depends on you and where you got your shoes from and what shoes you got and so on and so forth. But make sure they fit properly in like the first half an hour that you're wearing them. They are probably going to be a little bit, not too tight, but they're probably going to loosen a little bit over time. That's very normal. But make sure they fit like decently well at the beginning of you wearing them. And then as you wear them for longer, they're going to sort of mold out to your foot. But at the beginning, make sure they fit properly for the first like half an hour that you're wearing them, give or take. Okay? Just make sure they fit properly at the beginning. And then hopefully they'll mold to your foot. But at the beginning, really pay attention to the fitment of the shoe and make sure that it fits properly. Moving on to number four. Number four is protect them if you need to. So if you need to protect your shoes, your new shoes, then you want to do it at the beginning before you get any dirt, before you get any grime. So that means that before you even wear them, you want to apply the protectant or the protecting layer on them if you need to. Not every shoe is going to need it, and not every person is going to want to put it on. So it's completely up to you. But if you need to protect them, if you want to protect them, then you want to do that at the beginning when they're brand new before you start wearing them. It's just a little simple piece of advice. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number five. Number five is wear them easily at first. So by easily, I mean like not aggressively, okay? So you want to wear them very, very easily in the sense that like put them on and don't go full force with them. Just ease into them, okay? Ease into the movements of your feet and of your body while you're wearing the shoes. So just wear them easily at first. Go easy with the new shoes at first. And then eventually you can use them normally, but at the beginning, the first, couple hours that you're wearing them, just wear them easily and just go easy with the new shoe. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Excuse me. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.